Avian influenza H5N1, commonly known as bird flu, is a virus that has not only shaken the world of animal health but also raised alarms in human medicine. Since its discovery, this highly pathogenic virus has claimed lives, disrupted economies, and tested the resilience of global healthcare systems. Let's uncover everything you need to know about H5N1, from its origins to the measures you can take to stay safe. H5N1 was first identified in geese in Guangdong Province, China, in 1996. A year later, it made a shocking leap, infecting 18 people in Hong Kong, of whom 6 tragically lost their lives. This marked the first known instance of H5N1 jumping from birds to humans, setting off alarms among health experts worldwide. Since then, the virus has spread to over 50 countries, primarily through migratory birds and the international poultry trade. What makes H5N1 particularly concerning is its ability to mutate and adapt. These mutations allow it to infect a broader range of hosts and sometimes increase its severity. Scientists constantly monitor the virus for any signs of changes that could make it more transmissible among humans, which could trigger a global pandemic. Infected birds, their secretions, and contaminated environments. Transmission can occur in various ways. Handling infected birds or their carcasses. Exposure to contaminated surfaces such as cages, water, or feed. Inhaling virus particles in areas where infected birds are kept. Eating undercooked poultry or eggs from infected birds. The virus can survive for days in bird feces and water, especially in cool and moist conditions. This resilience makes it a persistent threat in poultry farms and markets, where hygiene measures may be lacking. H5N1 infection in humans begins with flu-like symptoms that may escalate rapidly. High fever above 38 degrees Celsius, 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, cough, sore throat, and runny nose, muscle aches, headaches, and fatigue. Without prompt treatment, these symptoms can worsen into severe respiratory issues, such as pneumonia or acute respiratory distress syndrome, ARDS. Other complications include multi-organ failure, secondary bacterial infections, heart or kidney dysfunction. The mortality rate of H5N1 in humans is alarmingly high, reaching nearly 60%. This underscores the importance of early detection and immediate medical intervention. Certain populations face greater risks of H5N1 exposure, including poultry workers and farmhands in direct contact with birds, individuals in rural or urban areas where live bird markets are prevalent, those with weaker immune systems, such as young children, the elderly, or people with chronic illnesses. Countries in Southeast Asia, such as Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand, are frequent hotspots for H5N1 outbreaks. Migratory birds carrying the virus have also introduced it to regions in Europe, Africa, and the Middle East, making global vigilance critical. H5N1 outbreaks have far-reaching consequences beyond health. Economically, poultry farming communities face devastating losses during outbreaks due to mass culling of infected and at-risk birds. Entire industries collapse when exports are banned, and consumer confidence in poultry products plummets. Environmentally, culling operations can disrupt ecosystems, particularly when wild bird populations are affected. Prevention is key to reducing the spread of H5N1. Here's what you can do. Avoid contact with live birds. Refrain from touching birds in markets or farms, especially in outbreak zones. Practice good hygiene. Wash your hands thoroughly after handling poultry. Cook food thoroughly. Ensure poultry is cooked to an internal temperature of 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit, to kill the virus. Wear protective gear. Use gloves and masks when in high-risk areas or handling birds. On a larger scale, governments and organizations play a crucial role. Surveillance systems, rapid testing, and public education campaigns are vital for containing outbreaks. While there's no specific cure for H5N1, early treatment improves outcomes. Antivirals. Oseltamivir and zanamivir are effective when administered within 48 hours of symptom onset. Supportive care. Hospitalization may involve oxygen therapy, IV fluids, and antibiotics for secondary infections. Isolation. Infected individuals must be quarantined to prevent further spread. The development of vaccines for both humans and animals is ongoing, with promising advancements. Global health organizations like the WHO work tirelessly to monitor outbreaks and ensure preparedness for potential pandemics. H5N1 remains a formidable challenge, but with awareness, preventive actions, and global cooperation, its risks can be mitigated. By staying informed and vigilant, we can protect our health and safeguard our communities. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Until then, take care and see you in the next video.